I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you do any spiral binding at home, then you want to make sure you have a machine that is easy to use and also produces professional quality binding. And you have both of those in this awesome coil binder from MAKEASY. So whether I'm trying to bind something up for a homeschooling unit study or maybe something that is a little bit more professional to present to a client, this binding machine gives very consistent and professional results. What I really liked about it is just how easy and smooth it is to use. This even went really well on a large project in which I punched in multiple different stacks, but when it came time to actually insert the coil binding, the holes lined up perfectly and the binding went in so smoothly. This can punch and bind different size documents. I typically am using a letter size paper, so I find it very easy to just line up my paper right along the guide and make sure that each of the pages are punched in the same location on every single page. What's a great feature about this binding machine is it has an electric coil insert, so it does the hard work for me too. But besides just having that, because the holes are so precise, it's so easy to even manually insert the coil into the booklets. This binding machine is so user-friendly. It literally just takes a few steps to get a really nice produced presentation. So whether you're looking to bind things at home or in an office, this coil binding system from MAKEASY is going to be so easy to use and give you the professional results that you need. But that's just my point of view.